morning, everyone, and welcome to December 10th, our 10th day of Simply Stated Design Christmas Cheer 2024 Advent Calendar. It is time to reveal day 10. So let's dive in. Oh, this is a different one. We haven't had one this shape before. Exciting. This is the first time I've gotten to open an advent calendar. Like an advent calendar. I'm so excited. I've enjoyed this year so much. Okay, let's see what day 10 has to bring us. I love edges for pages. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at that. So beautiful. I know you're tired of having me say beautiful, but I don't know what else to say. How about it's so spectacular? Wow. Wow, wow. I think this is supposed to be the way to go. Wow. That is beautiful. Yeah, I know. I can't come up with any other word. They're just beautiful. Yeah, absolutely incredible. Wow, I could see like a diorama type deal here. Oh, yeah, that's gorgeous. And a 6x12 piece of white cardstock. They have the best cardstock. All right. That is absolutely fantastic. Another great day thanks to Simply Stated. All right, guys. I will see you tomorrow for day 11. Enjoy your crafty day today.